Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Character AI, a platform that allows you to engage in conversations with AI-generated characters. Let's get started. What is Character AI and what does it do? Character AI is a neural language model chatbot service that generates human-like text responses, enabling contextual conversations with AI characters. Users can create and interact with characters, customizing their personalities and behaviors. These characters can be based on fictional media, celebrities, or entirely original creations, serving various purposes such as language tutoring, text-based adventure games, and brainstorming. Price. Character AI is free to use, providing access to its features without any cost. There are no advertisements on the platform, ensuring an uninterrupted user experience. That wraps up our review of Character AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comment. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insight. Thanks for watching.